Hi guys, welcome to Velo7. We have always been making dream bikes, and we got a request recently from one of our clients that we're building this bike for to make a short video on the process of building, like kind of behind the scenes, and it got us motivated to make a movie about how we build the bike or the bikes that we make, and specifically about this one. It's a Pinarello Dogma F, so it is the top of the line, top of the range, and this colorway is actually not available to order. When the Dogma F was first introduced, there was a color that was called Plutonium Flash. It is not available anymore since it's not being produced for over almost 2 years now, and the client specifically asked us to be as close as possible to this color, so we decided to offer him a MYWAY, which is a custom color paint for the Dogma F, which resembles the Plutonium Flash color, and it is silver with black, very elegant, finished in all glossy, so there's no matte finish on the bike. And basically the bike is equipped with the top specs and the top range that you can get on a Dogma. So on the group, the client has decided to go with a Dura-Ace Di2, which is a 12-speed with wireless shifting. We also equipped the bike. The derailleur has a oversized pulley wheel, and the crankset has a bottom bracket that is the Italian thread with ceramic speed bearings on it. This is also equipped with a power meter, so this Dura-Ace crankset is equipped with the Shimano power meter, as it is an option in the new groups. And the wheels, as you can see, those are the lightweight wheels. This is the Millenstein Evo, the Schwarz version. The Schwarz stands for an upgrade with the ceramic speed bearings in the hubs. So basically we got ceramic speed in the derailleur, in the crank, and also in the wheels. So we were really amazed by this setup, because the bike is quite simple and very elegant, but it really is a head turner. It really got our attention, and anybody that was coming to the shop and to the service was looking at the bike going like, wow. And this is what we do with full passion, and since day one we've always been about custom projects and custom builds, and this is a fine example of what we do. So there is the inline bikes, which is the normal colorway, but you can always order something custom. So for example, in Pinarello there's a program that's called MYWAY, and we can pick and choose from different color variations to make a very special frame that will be your own. So this is how the Dogma looks like in the MYWAY colorway. If you're interested in one of those bikes, we have a special tab on our website that you can go on and click what you are looking for, but you can also see our Instagram or our Facebook, where we kind of try to visualize and take photos and videos on various projects that we do, so that gives you a little bit of example and feel of what we can do. And if you have some special needs, so you are looking for a specific frame set from an Italian manufacturer, or you're looking for a certain colorway or a group set, that's perfect, because we can do a quote upon those questions. Or if you're looking just for something special but not exactly sure what you're looking for, we're here to help you. We can not decide for you, but give you a few options and show you a few projects that we have built. Plus, always when you come into our store, we have a wide selection, so you can always see a little bit live of the custom paints and also of the inline paint, so you can get an idea and feel what we do and how the bikes look and feel in real life. We also have an indoor trainer, so you can always jump on the bike, jump on the frame, and try it for yourself if it's the right fit. The last thing we can say, dream bike, we'll make it happen, and visit our website, it's velo7.com. Thanks for looking, guys.